If you can hear that, I heard that yesterday for an hour and a half. An hour and a half. I unplugged the fridge, the freezer, I went through the cupboards, the pipes, the plumbing, the washing machine. I unplugged everything for an hour and a half. I was looking at the ceilings of the attic, the floors, every room. In the end, what it was my mung beans. That's what it was. It was because of how warm it is in the house. The mung beans were actually starting to ferment. And the lid was on two sides. So loosen the lid, the irritating noise, the mysterious noise, the aliens, the noise. Me thinking the pipes are going to burst.